It was recording.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Grandma Bone.
Hi, Grandma.
Bye, Grandpa.
They leaving already?
Look at how pretty. Grandma's all excited. Wow. Oh my gosh, beautiful. And Christopher hung up the candy cane.
That's beautiful. Mommy just needs to make the bow for the top and we're all set.
Yeah. We need the thing.
You did such a nice job. I'm so proud of you.
You did a really nice job.
That's a beautiful Christmas.
Hey, who's on your shirt? Mayor.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Oh, he's gonna fall off that.
I think that you better move him back. I think he's gonna fall off.
There.
Look at his ears flop. No, that's not the ladder. The ladder's on the other side.
That's what you need.
That's not salt water here, is it, Michael?
No.
It's not 8% to be a salt water.